everybody, welcome to my fireside chat or kitchen counter talk. Best lighting in the house, and the family is at volleyball practice, and so I have a few minutes to talk about one of our amps. What we have in front of us is our Kenzie Ovation, which came from the Kenzie circuit, otherwise known as the Darling circuit, which was commonly described as the Baby 300B. The differences between the Kenzie and the Ovation is the progression of both the power supply, signal path, how we wire our amps, and most importantly, our transformers. So the similarities to the bigger Ben are huge choke. The choke is actually bigger than the power transformer itself, and are very, very special output transformers. What Amps and Sound does is rather than use resistor dividing networks, voltage dividing networks to get different impedances for your outputs, we actually have our transformer winder wind a specific output impedance for us. We think this is a better way of doing things and yields sonic dividends. When you look here, you have high Z, 300 ohm, 100 ohm, 32, 16, and 8, so that you can really tailor the sound, get the best voltage delivery to your headphones. Though this is what I would call a 1-watt wonder amp, it's a low power headphone amp, about half a watt truthfully. It has lots of current and is able to run most planners, except for the most inefficient, recalcitrant ones around. As good as they sound, the Sesfara and the Abyss are probably bad choices, but you know, your Hi-Fi Man, Amandas, are a nice choice. LCD2s, LCD-Xs sound fantastic with this, as does any of our orthodynamic headphones that you might think of. Dynamic headphones, LCD, HD800s sound fantastic. All the Focal lines sound amazing with this. Now I'm going to tip it up and hopefully I can get it in the picture. You'll be able to see that we have right here a switch that lets you choose between speakers and headphones, so you don't have to decable your amp. It's really a true integrated. You have speaker binding posts right back here and a standard IEC. The most important thing to think about when looking at the Ovation is the ability to have single-ended triode sound with huge, custom, very, very special transformers, not off the shelf, that do incredible things, and access to very, very old tubes that are inexpensive. You should be able to retube an Ovation for less than $45 or thereabouts. And right here, we have, you know, mid-50s 12SL7 that sounds really, really, really amazing. In its original box, I think I spent all of $7 on it. Let me put it back before I break it. And we have matched 1626s. Long ago we bought a whole lot and still have our stock, thank goodness. And it's a baby triode. If you think sound-wise, very similar to the 45s or 2A3 sound. Our sound is tonally dense. You know, really thick, strong mid-range, but good frequency extension. And our amps are significant. Meant to last a lifetime. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys liked.